क्लास 7 साइंस का लेसन नंबर 1 न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स। इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, हाउ वुड यू टेस्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च इन लीव्स? आंसर, द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च इन लीव्स कैन बी टेस्टेड बाय iodine test. Iodine turns starch solution into blue-black color. Pour few drops of dilute iodine solution on a boiled leaf. If the leaf becomes blue-black in color, it proves the presence of starch in the leaf. Next question, question number 4. Give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in green plants. Answer, green plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. They prepare food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The process of photosynthesis involves the following steps. First, chlorophyll traps the sunlight. Second, water and minerals are absorbed by the roots and transported to leaves. Third, carbon dioxide from air is taken through tiny pores in the leaf called stomata. Fourth, glucose and oxygen are formed by photosynthesis. ये है इसकी डायग्राम। अभी आप इस क्वेश्चन को नोट कर लीजिए। If you like our video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.